today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Watch this video closely while I teach you how to make chocolate chip cookies. And also, when you set this oven, have a grown up with you if your arms can't reach or if you don't know how to set your oven. Okay, so press. This is how my oven works. I'm going to have to press that bake. The bake right here. Then I'm going to have to press the 3, 5, 0 for 350. Then I'll press this right here. It says start over the set. And the tools that you're going to need is a mixer, a bowl. Okay, and this kind of cup, it says 1-2, and it says cup. You're going to need that. And then you're going to have to get a 1 cup. That means a whole cup. Just one though. You're going to need some butter, a whole stick of butter, baking soda, salt, brown sugar, eggs, a little secret if you want. You don't have to do the little secret. It's just what my mom likes to do. Vanilla and chocolate chips. Of course the chocolate chips. They're named after me. Then you're going to need some gold flour. It has to be called gold
all-purpose flour.
Gold all-purpose flour. Okay, so first thing we need to do is lift up your mixer. I'm using this, but you can also get a grown-up to get this thing on and to tell you which one you're supposed to use. Okay, so this is how you do it first. Take your bowl. Get your 1 cup. Put it in the flour. Get the flour. You can also get a little from there to help. I like to do that. You might be a little messy after this. Okay, then you put this top or something like that. Then you put it in your bowl. Then, have to get rid of some flour that's spilled. Okay, so then you have to take another cup of that. The 1 cup. And you can use whatever you got to straighten it out. Oh, there's my cat up there. Oh, 2 of my cats. It's cute and funny. They're sisters and twins. You may do that soon. Okay. Then put that in the bowl. Then last but not least, you're gonna need the cup that says 1-2 cup. You're gonna need that. Put it in the flour. Do that. Smooth it out. Smooth it. Then get only one of these and put it in there. So then, this is what it says on the cookbook. It says, okay, so take your baking soda. Then, I think you're supposed to use this and get the baking soda. Baking soda. My family does this. We clean up as we go. Okay, then you're gonna have to get the teaspoon that says 1-2. Then you're gonna have to get your thing. Yeah, of course. Then put it in the sauce and make sure it's filled. You are going to want to mix this at medium to 2 to 3
Minutes.
Okay, so then you take this. Steady. Then you're going to want to put the mixer down. Then at first it looks like, oh, what have I done? It's just flour. But then you can see it starts to look like cookie dough. See, look. Probably have to speed that up a little. You can smell that, probably like vanilla. Now, when it looks like this.
Bro.
Oh, wow, I forgot. So sorry, guys. Never do that. Never, ever in your life do that. That happens a lot. Now you want to get the chocolate chips, and the best thing about this cookbook is you can add as many as you want. Don't add too much or it's going to there, like about that much. And you're going to want to get this, put them in the dishwasher. And forget this. Then you're going to want, and if you have these, you can add a little. Now, you put the mixer down, mix it. If I make that amazing sound. The sound of cooking. This is heavy. Nope. Okay, so.
Hot butter.
Okay, so now we made the batter. Now, don't get a lot. Then you just scoop some. Not too much. They're gonna be small cookies. So, have a grown-up help you with this if you need. Oh, have a grown-up help you with this. Just I've made these cookies a lot. My parents trust me to put these in. I'm gonna do the hard one first. Woo, okay. A little risky.
You gotta turn it, hun.
Hot. That's really hot. Okay, so there. Now you're gonna want to get these ones. Well, your second batch, put them on top. Okay, so bake to 9 to 10 minutes.